stop before you scroll. I need you to watch this. That report, I didn't write a single word of it. Claude Cowork did it automatically while I was on a walk. And this morning, I already scanned the entire internet and found what's trending in AI right now. Give me 3 video ideas and organize 100+ files in my download folder all before I touched my keyboard. And the craziest part, with the new feature, I can do everything from my phone as well. I don't need to even open my MacBook or Windows. But first, OpenClaw. Yeah, rest in peace, because this thing just made the entire automation tool category sweat. I am Kenil, and today I am showing you 5 real Claude Cowork use cases that are saving me conservatively around $5,000 to $10,000 worth of work every single month. Let's get into it. Alright, quick context for anyone new here. So you probably used Claude chat function in the Claude. You type it, it responds, Windows closes, and it forgot everything. It's like a ChatGPT, Gemini, and all other LLMs. And then you probably heard about Claude Code. That is a terminal based for developer only. And for that, if you wanted to use Claude Code, then you need developer skills. It is insanely powerful but scary for non-coders. And then it comes Claude Cowork. That's a middle child that become favorite of everybody. Think of it as a Claude Code, but for everyone who doesn't code. You just give it a folder on your computer and describe what you want in the plain English. And you need to give permission to whatever the apps which you would like to use. For example, Google Drive, Gmail, Notion, Slack, anything. And you just describe in plain English, and there are 38+ app connectors are available, and the work will be done by Claude Cowork. And Claude Cowork can only automate your life easily without thinking like a developer. It runs inside a sandboxed virtual machine on your Mac. That means your files never leave your computer. And that's what I was expecting from Anthropic, and it's a big step for your security. That means Anthropic cannot even see your files while Cowork is automating your life. What Claude Cowork can actually do? There are 5 core capabilities. So first one is local file access. That means it can write, read, organize files in the sandboxed VM, and safe by design. Second, you can connect around 38+ apps as a connectors like Gmail, Drive, Notion, Slack, GitHub, Figma, Zapier, everything. The third one is multi-step task. That means you can research, write, format, save, all handled autonomously. The fourth one is scheduled task. It is one of my favorites. You can schedule command daily, weekly, monthly, depends on your requirements. And the most important thing is zero coding required. And the last one, which is recently launched by Claude, it's called Claude Dispatch. That means you can remote control your AI from your phone. It's recently launched on 17th March 2026. That means you can tell command from your phone and it can go to your desktop and it works whatever you can say. Setup of Claude Cowork is genuinely 60 seconds. I will show you directly in Claude in a few minutes, but let me explain you first here. In the step 1, you need to download Claude Desktop. For Mac, it's fully live, and Windows, they just launched. In the step 2, you need to open Cowork tab inside Claude Desktop. In the step 3, you need to select your folder from your MacBook or Windows. In the step 4, you can connect your apps by going to customize and then connectors. You can select Drive, Slack, Notion, whatever the app you will need. Currently, I am on Pro plan and I have access of everything. What I will suggest, start with Pro plan, and if you like it and if it makes sense for you, then you can switch to Max plan. Alright, let's talk why Claude Cowork can destroy OpenClaw. From my perspective, it makes sense for 90% of people to use Claude Cowork because of that easy setup, because of security and lot other reasons. Let me explain you in few seconds. To set up OpenClaw, we require Docker Terminal WSL. For Claude Cowork, you can just download, click, and that's all. For intelligence, you build all logic manually, and in the Claude Cowork, it reasons autonomously. And the file access is system wide. So that's why you are giving your system to OpenClaw, and that's why it's risky. In the Claude Cowork, it's sandbox, so it's safe by default. And the learning curve, one of the big obstacles for many of us, because it requires developer skills. And for Claude Cowork, we just need to explain in the plain English, and that's all. And one of the most important part is that from the security perspective, OpenClaw is bit risky. And Anthropic handles sandboxing, so that's why Claude Cowork is much safer than OpenClaw. And in the future, it is already acquired by OpenAI, so you are in the lock-in risk, so that you will be in the OpenAI ecosystem. But in the Claude Cowork, it's independent. There are 38 plus connectors. So from my perspective, OpenClaw is like building your own car engine based on your all this difficult setup to security risk, and Cowork is like calling an Uber. It knows where you are going. Now next, I'll be showing 5 real world use cases of Claude Cowork and how you can save around $10,000 per month with this 5 real use cases. So first, we'll be building AI morning research briefing, which can save around $1,500 per month. The second, we'll be creating YouTube competitor analysis, which can save around $500 per task. And the third one is receipt and expense automation, which can save around $60 per session. And the fourth one is LinkedIn post from YouTube, and which can save around $500 per month. And the fifth one is file organization, which can save around $45 per session. Now it depends on your use cases and depends on your day-to-day life, but the total potential savings is around $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Let's dive in directly into Claude Cowork and I will show you the use cases. So after downloading Claude Desktop, when you open this, there are 3 options: chat, Cowork and code. Today we will using Claude Cowork. And then here you need to select whatever the folder from your Mac or Windows which you would like to use. Then today first we'll be building AI morning research brief. So it's every morning at 7 a.m. it search across the web based on my condition, and it provide me 5 most important stories in 3 bullet points each. And then it also generate 3 YouTube video ideas I could create. Here I can select different models. So if you select Opus 4.6, if your task requires lot of research and it's most capable for ambitious work, but currently for me Sonnet 4.6 is fine, then I will click on let's go. Now it started our automation. So as you can see, it's working as a scheduled task, AI morning brief and daily 7 a.m. AI and the creator news briefing with YouTube videos ideas. If I click on details, as you can see, it's building everything what we just mentioned. And we click on schedule. So now it's created scheduled task. Now it's done. So it's saying click run now. So we'll open this tab, click on scheduled, and we have this one scheduled task, AI morning briefing, right? So I will click on that. Then I will click on run now. So it will do our task as of now. And now it's working for us, searching across the web. There you have it. Within just 2 minutes, it provided full top stories. NVIDIA Agent Toolkit goes open. Apple's Gemini powered Siri launch with iOS 26.4. And also it provided 3 video ideas generated, and it provided full detail. Now every morning, 7 a.m., it will run for us without touching any browser. I haven't opened any browser or anything. It searched across the web and provided me full report. Now check tomorrow morning. The freelance research assistant doing it for you at least cost $1,000 to $1,500 per month, and you can do it with just $20 per month with Claude subscription. Use case number 2, and it directly pays for my YouTube strategy. I'll paste this prompt: research the YouTube channels NetHawk AI Automation, Jeff Su, Leah Motley, analyze their last 10 videos, what topics they cover, average views, title and thumbnail styles, and content gaps they have missed, and what I should create to outperform them, and save the full formatted competitor analysis report to my Cowork HQ folder. And I will click on let's go. So it will basically search across the YouTube for 3 particular YouTube channel which I provided. You can give any YouTube channel based on your own niche, and now it will search across the YouTube. So it asking for permission to access YouTube. I will allow for this website. And now it goes to YouTube and search for these 3 channels which we just provided. Perfect. Now it gave me full report. Let's click on that. Perfect. So it's give me YouTube competitor analysis report for this 3 channel, NetHawk, Jeff Su and Leah Motley. And they provided the complete title and the views and everything. Isn't it amazing? And also it's provide content gap analysis, what they cover well, critic gaps and under served topics. strategic recommendation to outperform. If I do research by myself, this one without Claude, then it will take at least 4 to 5 hours, right? And if I pay any freelance research assistant or anybody outside, then it cost me around at least $500. Use case 3 is receipt and expense automation. Let's be honest, everyone hates it to keep their expenses on track. And that is why Claude Cowork makes our life easy with this simple instruction. I'll paste this instruction. Let go into my download receipts folder, read every file's PDF, images, screenshot, extract from each one vendor name, date, amount and category, and build a categorized expense report in Excel. And also I'm saying flag anything over €100. Save the finished report to my Cowork HQ folder, and I'll click on let's go. Especially this will be really useful for the business owners. If you are managing your expenses still manually, you are living in the past, to be honest. And we got expense report from our 20 receipt, and it properly defined date, vendor, category, amount, and whenever it's over 100, it's providing flag with yes. It's really amazing. It just did it within 2 minutes. So you can do it for your own business. Use case number 4 is auto LinkedIn post from your YouTube videos. This one is genuinely very important for all YouTubers who created long form content. So every time they cannot go to LinkedIn and post it manually, and that is specially for them, so they can directly post from their YouTube video transcript. So I will paste this prompt here, schedule. So this is schedule task. Every time I add a new file to my YouTube transcript folder, read the transcript or description, and then provide me the finished LinkedIn post as a text file to my content output folder. So basically it's reading our transcript from our specific folder. It will write a bold hook, tell a story, and write a LinkedIn post that provide all our information, and it includes 3 specific insight as a bullet point as well. Now I'll click on let's go. So I will show you there are currently 3 YouTube video transcript in that folder. So it will create LinkedIn post for these 3 YouTube transcripts. So seems like it's working. It's created scheduled task YouTube to LinkedIn post. So let's run it now. And now in the background, it will create .text file for us based on this 3 transcript which I just showed it to you. And as you can see, it wrote 4 LinkedIn posts for us from my last few videos. And it's really amazing. So you don't need to do anything. You just need to copy and paste, and you can directly post on LinkedIn based on this text file. From now on, my task is to just create the video. It's Claude task to create LinkedIn post for me. I will just copy it and paste it in my LinkedIn. The 5th use case is most embarrassing problem that AI just solved it for me. So let me show you my download folder. It mixed with lot of things which I even don't know what it is, So now I will go to Cowork and paste this instruction. I'll paste this, go to my download folder, analyze every single file, read the content, not just the name, organize them into subfolder by type, screenshot, invoices, contract, research, software, everything. Save the report to my Cowork HQ folder, and I will select Cowork HQ folder here, and I will click on let's go. So it's a mess. If you check my download folder, it's mess. If Claude Cowork can do this, then I'll be fan of Claude Cowork, to be honest. I'm really excited as well as nervous as well. As you can see, it's organized 136 download into categories folder with timestamps, because I'm still skeptical that Cowork can do it or not. So finger crossed, to be honest. Let's allow that. Now they completed my task. Audio 60 files, document 14 files, research 5 files, 33 screenshot, videos 56 files. Let me show you the download file. And they created it within just 5 minutes. Now I have audio, now I have documents, I have all research, screenshots, videos. It's amazing. I'm now fan of Claude Cowork, to be honest. It saved my hours, because from last few months I have headache to check my files and find files from my download folder. Now I have everything organized. Thank you, Claude Cowork. Now I would like to show the feature which broke the internet last week. Claude Dispatch. So to access that, we will go to here and dispatch from anywhere, like its name suggests. Your phone is like a walkie-talkie that can communicate with Claude on your computer. Just send a Claude message, then it will work on your task using your computer. Claude can also run tasks on a schedule or whatever you need them. Remember, we need to connect our Claude Desktop with our phone. So it's just easy setup, which I will show you in a few seconds. After setting up this, you just, let's say you sit in cafe or restaurant and you tell and you are sitting with the client and you forgot some file. Ask from your phone and tell, okay, go to the desktop and send me this file. So it will go to your MacBook and search for the specific file and it will send it to you on your phone. You are still sitting in a cafe or restaurant, so you don't need to travel back to your home, find the MacBook and search for that file. That's how it's powerful. Okay, I will click on get started. I am signed in on my phone. Okay, keep this computer awake and the finish setup. Okay, I can show you that it's connected on my phone as well, and I will click on let's go. Now I am connected. So whatever I will ask on my phone, you can see it here. Okay, real talk, the honest feedback time. Claude Cowork is genuinely impressive, but it's not perfect yet. After using it properly, here is my feedback. Claude Cowork works best on morning briefings, file organization, scheduled tasks, email summarization, research reports. This works great for this kind of use case, but it still needs work. For example, complex multi-app task, around 50% success. Mac must stay awake plus desktop open, so it cannot go to sleep if you really want the output. Windows support just landed, early bugs there might be. No APIs or web hooks yet. One dispatch thread for now. So question is, which one should you use? My honest verdict is use Claude Cowork if you work with files, docs, emails, spreadsheet. You want zero technical setup, you want safe sandbox environment, you are creator, freelancer or executive. You want phone control via Claude Dispatch. Then you should use Claude Cowork, and use OpenClaw if you need 24/7 continuous automation. You are a developer with Docker experience and it's now acquired by OpenAI. So future of the project is uncertain. So my honest verdict, like I mentioned earlier, for 90% of creators, Claude Cowork wins. Dispatch sealed it. 5 use cases which I just showed, potentially $5,000 to $10,000 per month saved, and I just show you how it works on phone. If you like my video, hit subscribe, hit like button, and I will see you in the next one.